Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make Anzac Biscuits because it was Anzac Day Thursday. So I'll show you guys the rest of it, show you the green. So we got flour, sugar, coconut, oats, what we got. Okay, and don't know what that is. So let's get cracking.
Hang on.
I haven't pushed it.
Let me do it.
So preheat the oven 150.
50.
Oh,
Well, you can't tell on our one because it's all gone.
no, it's all gas.
Yeah, it's all gone. Okay. Okay, line you.
Line my paper out. I don't know how far. How much?
Or just measure it against your tray to there. So just you rip it and use the
Scissors.
oh, okay. Oops.
Oh, bugging me.
Oh. See our chickies. Whoops. Oh. I don't know, you won't be able to see them. Here, cut it. Yeah, there.
Up there?
Yeah,
Up here.
yeah.
Up.
Just and run it straight up. Oh, doesn't matter. There's mother hen, and there's the 3 babies, and there she goes. She's very. Oops.
One's really black.
One's black and 2 greyies. Okay, we'll get back to cooking now.
Okay, got that. My bowl.
Now you need that cup.
What colour?
Okay, cup of flour.
Well, these are.
That's only quarter. You need a cup.
Oh, whoa. And that one just chases away.
Yeah.
Yep. Ooh. Yep.
Yeah, cup in there. Yep.
Yeah.
1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon.
What?
1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon.
Little one or big one?
That's a half, and that's 1. So you need. That's 1,
Yeah.
and that one you had was a half.
That one there? Or this one?
That one there,
Yeah.
half. We'll do 3 of those half teaspoons.
On the same one?
Yeah, do 3 half.
Go 1,
Yep,
2,
yep,
and 3.
yep. Okay, so sift all that. Okay, 3/4 cup of oats. Do it in the bowl, all over the bowl.
Oops.
1, 2,
Oops.
Oopsie daisy. Oh well, 3.
Sorry, Mum.
Coconut, which is in here, a cup of coconut.
All of it together?
Yeah, just put it, yes. Must be, yep. And sugar. Half a cup. I'll put three, no, just do two of those cups. Because that's a quarter, so yeah.
That's one.
Yep, and another one. Yeah, that should be enough, yep. And just mix that together.
Okay.
Just mix it.
Yep. I'm pressing these with the knife again.
125 grams.
So that will be,
Two 50s and then half of a 50.
so
So say
that one.
to there.
And that here?
Yep. Yep, yes, straight down.
Oh, jeez. Mm.
Okay, put it in the pot.
Mm.
That little bit.
Oh, this little bit here.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
A quarter of a cup of golden syrup. Oh, oh. No, don't break it. Here, use a spoon. You don't want to break the tip.
No, I don't want to cut myself.
There we go. Okay, quarter of a cup.
Yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, empty it. No, empty it, because that'll take you all day doing it with a teaspoon. Yep. Okay.
Up, up.
You'll get, yep. Now get the spoon and eat, yeah.
Mm. Up. Mm.
And 2 tablespoons of water after that.
One.
Yeah.
And 2.
Yeah.
Whoops. You look like I put my pants.
Yeah, that spoon's all right. You just got to, have you got the element on?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, standing up straight. Very erect, Veronica.
Fucking hell, you're such a rude bitch.
Right. Okay, just got to stir it. Just keep on stirring it.
Ooh.
Oh, feek. Hang on. You got it?
Yep.
Yeah, so it's, okay, we'll take it off the heat. Okay, 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Hey, Kalanda.
What?
I've been.
Yep.
And stir it.
Yes.
Ooh, stir it. Ooh. Oh, they're chasing it.
Okay, and now empty that into your dry ingredients and stir with the wooden spoon.
Ooh. The
wooden spoon. Ooh, kinky. That looks like shite. We'll put the hot thing on the board, please. Okay, give it a stir. There, it's
All blend together.
yep, it smells beautiful. Okay, here we go.
I guess he was talking to...
Okay. Put them in your hands. Roll it, yeah. Roll it into a ball.
on top. Oh, ball.
And just there, and then you can flatten it with your fingers or flatten it with a fork. With the fork.
Oh, damn, I can't see me flattening it.
Oh,
I've got this.
here we go.
Oh, that's better.
Here we go.
So, what? What are you doing? Yeah?
Yes, and then flatten it again. Oh, or your fingers. Yeah, you can do use your fingers, whatever you want to use. Here we go.
I can hear that.
Well, that's good. Veronica's just got new hearing aids and
It's quite weird.
Yep.
Ah!
she's only had them for a week.
Have I?
Yeah, I think so. And she's pretty good now. She does everything herself, putting them in and taking them out.
And one thing I find difficult is putting your shit in.
Oops, Daisy, made a mess. Mummy made a mess.
Only one thing I'm going to find out is
Okay,
putting the shit in.
we'll put it start down there now.
As I'm doing, mother.
Good deal.
The Anzac Biscuits. Whoop, whoop.
You've showed them.
Yeah, I already showed them before.
Okay.
My Anzac Biscuits.
Oop. Hang on, there we go. In the oven.
Yummy.
There we go.
Thank you for watching my video how to make Anzac biscuits. If you guys want to try this recipe, then link down in the description down below. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.